Hello, so do you know how to solve such an amazing maths Olympiad question? So worry no more. I want us to take you step by step on how to solve it. So let's now start with the solution. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So on our solution, this one is what we have. So we have 5 to the power of a, then add to 5 to the power of a is equals to 80. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to factorize 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a. So this one can also be written as 5 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 80. So now we shall work out the number that is inside the bracket. So here now we shall have 5 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 80. So let's divide both sides by 2 so that 2 by 2 shall cancel. So now 5 to the power of a in this case is equals to 40. Then the next thing that you need to do, we still have 5 to the power of a, so we need to introduce the log from both sides so that we can now work it out within the shortest time possible. So now we shall now have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 40. So remember that when you have the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be written as m the log of p. So in this case now we shall have a the log of 5 is equals to the log of 40. So from here now, for us to remove the log of 5, we shall have to divide both sides by the log of 5. So here now the log of 5, then also this side shall also divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So now our value for a is equals to the log of 40 all over the log of 5. So the next thing that you need to do is to factorize the log of 40 all over the log of 5, or in other words, to simplify it. So here now we shall now say that our a can also be written as, now we shall have the log of 5 multiplied by 8, then all over, so this one shall still have the log of 5. So the next thing that we shall say that, so let's now assume that we had the log of a multiplied by b. So this one can also be written as the log of a plus the log of b. So in other words, now our a shall be is equals to the log of 5 add to the log of 8, then all over the log of 5. So our next step now, we shall have the log of 5 to divide by both sides. So a now shall be equals to the log of 5 all over the log of 5, then plus the log of 8 all over the log of 5. So next we can still have it at a is equals to, so here now the log of 5 all over the log of 5, then plus, so our log 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3, then all over the log of 5. So here now we shall we shall have a is equals to, so the log 5 all over the log of 5, then plus, so the log of 2 to the power of 3 can also be written as 3 the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So in other words, now our value for a shall be now is equals to log 5 and log 5 shall cancel. So from there now we shall say that we shall have 1, then plus, so in this case now this one now shall have 3 the log of 2 all over the log of 5. So finally we say that when you have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall say that our value for a shall now be equals to 1 plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So this one now shall qualify to be our correct answer. So let's now confirm it very fast and check. So this one is what we had. So we had 5 to the power of a. So 5 to the power of a, then add to 5 to the power of a is equals to 80. So here now we shall say that, so where there is a, we shall substitute the answer that we had got. So now we shall have 5 to the power of 1. So we had 1 plus the 3 to the log of 2 to the base of 5. Then also add to 5 to the power of 1 plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 5. Then this one now shall be is equals to 80. So our next step now shall say that 5 to the power of 1, so we shall have 5 to the power of 1, then plus still, so now we shall have 5 to the power of, So 5 to the power of 1 plus the 5 to the power of, so here now shall have the log of 2 to the power of 3 base 5. Then also plus, here now shall have 5 to the power of 1 plus, here now we shall have 5 to the log of 2 to the base of 3 is equals to 80. So the plus in this case shall change to multiplication. So in other words, now shall have 5 to the power of 1, then multiply by, then this one now shall be 5 to the log of 2 to the base of 3, then to the base of 5, then plus, so this one is how 5 to the power of 1 multiply by, so 5 to the log of 2 to the base of 3, 2 to the power of 3 all over the base of 5 is equals to 80. So 5 to the power of 1 shall be 5, then multiply by, so this one is 9, so log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5. So now we shall have 2 to the base of 3, that is 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So 5 multiplied by 8, then here plus also. So 5 to the power of 1 is 5, then multiply by, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel with this 5. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8, then is equals to 80. So 5 multiplied by 8, so we shall have 40 plus 40 is equals to 80. So meaning that our answer is very correct when you say that our value for a in this case, a is equals to 1 plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.